let's hang and knit. I typically bring a very basic knitting or crochet project with me anywhere I go. This one has been living this week in my work bag, so when I'm at the office, if there's a break in work, or right after my lunch, I have a time to do a couple of rows. What I'm working on is a pair of socks for my grandma. She requested another pair, and so I picked some very springy colors you can see here. I'm nearly done with the second sock now. This video was taken a few days ago. I've passed the heel and I'm onto the foot. So coming right along, I want to get these to her as soon as possible because I made her a pair last year that she apparently has been wearing every single night to bed to stay extra cozy. And that's the only pair I've knit her, so she just has one pair of socks from me, and that is a literal crime. She is a very knit-worthy person, so I am making a very, very, very spring-inspired pair because here we have had off and on snow, and that is bumming me out. So these bright colors in my outfit and also in the socks I'm working on are my, manifestation of spring. Other projects that I'm working on, I've got a crocheted heart sweater that is coming right along. I don't have any updated pictures of it because I've been doing a lot of ripping back because I am making up the back panel myself. I didn't want the heart motif repeated on both sides, so that is coming along swimmingly. I'm nearly done with the back finally. And, of course, the deconstructed denim jacket. I have a few more panels done. Again, it's been so gray and snowy and cold, I haven't had a good chance to get decent photos or videos of the jacket itself. So I'm hoping for next week we're going to have a full dedicated video just to the deconstructed jacket. I would love to hear what you're working on. Tell me in a comment.